following show is sponsored by Alviarmani.
Welcome to the show, everyone. I'm Elora Murray.
And I'm Sarah Jenkins, and we are joining you today from Alviarmani right here in Salt Lake City.
I'm so excited to spend the day here and learn about all their amazing services. What do you say we get the show started?
Let's do it.
We are starting the show off with Jefferson, who is the Director of Business Development here at Alviarmani. Thank you for talking to us today.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much for being here.
Well, it has been a pleasure because this place is absolutely stunning. Talk to us about Alviarmani. What do you do here? What procedures do you have? Tell us all the good things.
Yeah, so Alviarmani is the world's leading hair restorative clinic. We basically provide people with incredible new hair. We do hair transplant procedures here, FUE specifically, that's follicular unit extraction. So it's an undetectable procedure. We also do injectables as well that aren't surgical, but it's a fully fledged hair restoration clinic, just to help the follicularly challenged, I guess you would say.
There we go. That is a great term. The first time I've heard it, but I'm going to keep using it.
TM, right?
There you go. What sets Alviarmani apart from other hair restoration clinics?
Sure. Well, Alviarmani has been the leading clinic in this field for almost 25 years now.
Amazing.
It's very, very focused on artistry and, again, as I've mentioned before, undetectability, really providing people with a new head of hair without the, I guess, the look of having a hair transplant procedure. We've really focused on ensuring that we can recreate what somebody has lost, not just fixing something to a degree and giving them a little bit more than what they had. It's about a full restoration, and that was something that when I myself, who was a patient 12 years ago, was really looking for something that wasn't just an improvement on what I had, but really a full restoration. And that's in a nutshell what Alviarmani really does, is just fully restoring hairlines and changing lives.
There we go. And we're going to talk about that a little more in the show. But right now, let's talk about the space. It is absolutely beautiful here. You're in the heart of Salt Lake City. Talk to us about what you have here at the space and what people can expect.
Absolutely, yeah. So the space is obviously magnificent. We really try and set a tone with Alviarmani. We want everything visually to reflect what the results are accomplished with each patient that walks through the door. The clinic was initially started in Beverly Hills, and we still have a clinic in Beverly Hills, but Salt Lake City became our second stateside clinic. I'm from Utah originally, and so
Utah!
Yeah, it's something that was really important to me. A lot of friends and family who know that I've had a hair transplant procedure, you know, obviously 12 years ago, but that's something that has been a little bit lacking is that specific field in Utah. Utah's obviously very aesthetically driven. You've got cosmetic surgical centers all over the place, but not a whole lot of options when it comes to hair restoration. And we really wanted to bring that to this incredible city.
Perfect. Well, Jefferson, we're going to talk to you more later in the show. Thanks for talking to us right now. And let's go check in with Sarah.